Imagine a future where microscopic robots heal us from the inside, where climate change is a battle we are winning, where food grows upwards, not outwards. Welcome to the world of tomorrow, today. In this world, the line between science fiction and reality is blurry. The technologies we once dreamed of are now within our grasp, ready to transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. From nanobots and artificial intelligence to sustainable agriculture and green energy, the future is not just something we're waiting for. It's something we're actively creating, one innovation at a time. These technologies are more than just fascinating concepts. They are the tools we need to build a better, more sustainable world. They hold the potential to revolutionize healthcare, tackle climate change, and ensure food security for generations to come. Join me, on this fascinating journey into the world of innovative solutions for a sustainable future. Trust me, the future is now, and it's more exciting than you could ever imagine. First stop on our journey, the realm of nanobots, xenobots, and artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where miniature robots, no larger than the width of a human hair, have the capacity to journey through our bodies, diagnosing and treating ailments at a cellular level. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's the reality of nanobots and xenobots. These tiny wonders, engineered from organic materials, are revolutionizing the way we approach medical challenges. From targeting cancer cells with precision to repairing tissue damage, they are transforming the landscape of healthcare. And what's more, they do this with minimal side effects, as they can be programmed to self-destruct after completing their mission. But the marvels of nanobots and xenobots are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's take a quantum leap into the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just about creating robots that mimic human behavior. It's about harnessing the power of machine learning to sift through massive amounts of data and identify patterns that would take humans years to decipher. Whether it's predicting the spread of a disease, diagnosing a rare genetic disorder, or forecasting climate trends, AI is proving to be an indispensable tool in our quest for a sustainable future. In the medical field, AI is making strides in diagnostics, reducing human error and the time taken to reach a diagnosis. It's helping doctors make informed decisions, improving patient outcomes, and ultimately, saving lives. In the realm of climate science, AI is aiding in predicting weather patterns and understanding climate change. By analyzing historical data, AI can forecast future trends, helping us prepare for and mitigate the effects of extreme weather events. With these advancements, we are well on our way to creating a healthier, smarter world. As we continue to explore and innovate, the possibilities are limitless. The future is here, and it's powered by nanobots, xenobots, and artificial intelligence. Now let's delve into the astonishing world of medical technology. It's a realm where science fiction is becoming science fact, and the results are nothing short of breathtaking. Consider telemedicine, a game changer that's revolutionizing access to healthcare. It's a remarkable tool that allows patients to consult with doctors from the comfort of their own homes, breaking down barriers of distance and time. Then, there's remote surgery, a feat once thought impossible. Surgeons can now operate on patients thousands of miles away, using robotic systems controlled in real time. This not only expands the reach of expert surgeons, but also brings life-saving interventions to remote areas. We also witness a boom in wearable health devices. These smart gadgets keep track of everything from our heart rates to sleep patterns, alerting us to potential health issues before they become serious problems. In a sense, they're like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. Lastly, let's not forget about genetic engineering. This technology holds the promise of curing genetic disorders, combating diseases, and even potentially extending human lifespan. We're at the dawn of an era where we can edit genes like a text document, correcting errors that lead to disease. These technologies are transforming healthcare, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. They're not just medical marvels, they're beacons of hope, shining light on a future where everyone has access to the best healthcare possible. Climate change, a formidable challenge, but one that technology is helping us face head-on. The journey towards a sustainable future begins with small, pragmatic steps. Let's start with energy efficiency. By tweaking our daily habits, from reducing our reliance on non-renewable energy sources to switching off appliances when not in use, we can conserve energy and reduce our carbon footprint. Next, we have waste reduction. Our planet is drowning in waste, and it's high time we did something about it. Through conscientious consumption, recycling, composting, and upcycling, we can significantly decrease waste and make our lives a little greener. But what about the carbon already in our atmosphere? Enter carbon capture technologies. These innovative solutions can extract carbon dioxide directly from the air, preventing it from contributing to global warming. Once captured, this carbon can be stored safely or even utilized for other purposes, like synthetic fuel production. Finally, let's talk about sustainable urban planning. As our cities continue to expand, it's essential to design them with sustainability in mind. By integrating green spaces, promoting public transportation, and incorporating renewable energy sources, we can create urban landscapes that are not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly. By embracing these solutions, we can help ensure a livable planet for future generations. The fight against climate change is a marathon, not a sprint, but with technology on our side, we have the tools to rise to the challenge. It's all about taking that first step. Next, we venture into the world of vertical farms and genetically engineered crops. Picture this: skyscrapers not filled with bustling offices but thriving with lush greenery. This is the concept of vertical farming. By stacking layers of crops, we can produce more food in a smaller footprint. It's like turning a traditional farm on its side and stacking it up into the sky. And the benefits are manifold. Vertical farms require less water and fewer pesticides, and they can be located right in the heart of our cities, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and hence carbon emissions. Now, let's talk about genetically engineered crops. They have the potential to revolutionize local food production. Scientists can tweak the genes of plants to make them more resistant to diseases, more nutritious, or even able to grow in harsh conditions. This means we can tailor crops to local needs and challenges, increasing food security and reducing dependence on imports. And the beauty of both these technologies is that they can be used in tandem. Imagine a vertical farm full of genetically engineered crops that are perfectly adapted to the local climate and nutritional needs, producing fresh produce all year round. With these innovations, we can produce more food with less land and in a more sustainable manner. The future of agriculture may not be in sprawling fields, but in towering green skyscrapers and microscopic modifications. Our next stop, the boundless world of green energy. Imagine a future where your home is powered by the gentle kiss of sunlight, the whispering wind, or the cascading flow of a river. It's not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to solar, wind, and hydropower technologies. Let's start with solar power, the energy harnessed from our very own star, the sun. Solar panels, made of photovoltaic cells, capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. This energy can then be used to power your home, charge your electric car, or even be stored for later use. Next, we have wind energy. Imagine towering turbines spinning gracefully in the breeze, their blades capturing the wind's kinetic energy and converting it into electricity. From remote farms to residential backyards, wind turbines can be set up practically anywhere with a steady wind flow. Last but not least, we have hydropower. This form of energy generation utilizes the force of flowing or falling water to generate electricity. Think of a dam holding back a river, its water potential energy waiting to be unleashed. Transitioning to these renewable energy sources is more than just a trend. It's a necessity. As we strive to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change, adopting green energy solutions for residential use becomes increasingly essential. By harnessing nature's power, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and create a cleaner, more sustainable world. Finally, we explore the transformative potential of 3D printing and recycling. Imagine a world where waste isn't just waste, but a valuable resource. That's the promise of 3D printing and recycling combined. This powerful duo allows us to take plastic waste, something that has been a stubborn environmental challenge for decades, and transform it into something useful again. How does it work? It's quite simple. First, the plastic waste is collected and cleaned. Then it's broken down into small pieces and converted into filament, the raw material for 3D printers. Now, this filament can be used to create a multitude of items, from everyday household products to intricate components for machinery. The implications of this are profound. Not only does this approach reduce our environmental footprint, but it also provides a sustainable way to repurpose plastic waste. With these technologies, we can turn waste into value, creating a more sustainable and circular economy. So, here we are, standing at the edge of tomorrow. We've journeyed through the marvels of nanobots and AI, ventured into the realm of medical marvels, tackled climate change head-on, explored the green revolution of vertical farms, harnessed nature's energy, and reshaped our world through 3D printing and recycling. These technologies aren't just figments of the future, they're our tools for a sustainable tomorrow. Remember, every small step counts. Let's embrace these technologies and together shape a sustainable, prosperous future.